Hello everyone, welcome back to Oils and Herbs. Today's video is about canker sore home remedies. Canker sores are small, painful ulcers that appear inside the mouth. Hay can make it difficult to eat and speak, and can last for up to 2 weeks. Fortunately, there are several home remedies that can help alleviate the pain and speed up the healing process. In this video, we will be discussing 5 effective canker sore home remedies. Saltwater rinse. Saltwater rinse is an effective home remedy for canker sores. It helps to reduce inflammation and promotes healing. To make the saltwater rinse, mix 1 teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water. Swish the solution around in your mouth for about 30 seconds and then spit it out. Repeat this several times a day until the canker sore is healed. Baking soda paste. Baking soda is another effective home remedy for canker sores. It helps to neutralize the acids in the mouth that can irritate the sore. To make the baking soda paste, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Apply the paste directly to the canker sore and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Repeat this several times a day until the sore is healed. Honey. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can help to reduce inflammation and pain associated with canker sores. To use honey as a home remedy, apply a small amount of honey directly to the sore. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Repeat this several times a day until the sore is healed. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another effective home remedy for canker sores. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help to reduce pain and speed up the healing process. To use coconut oil as a home remedy, apply a small amount of coconut oil directly to the sore. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Repeat this several times a day until the sore is healed. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help to reduce pain and swelling associated with canker sores. To use aloe vera as a home remedy, apply a small amount of aloe vera gel directly to the sore. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Repeat this several times a day until the sore is healed. Canker sores can be painful and irritating, but with these home remedies, you can help to alleviate the pain and speed up the healing process. Remember to maintain good oral hygiene, avoid spicy and acidic foods, and stay hydrated to prevent canker sores from occurring in the first place. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.